I'm going to show you how to remove a screen from a second story window. There are times when you don't want to get a ladder out. There are times when you can't put a ladder out, maybe because of a tree or landscaping you don't want to ruin. And you want to be able to get the screens out from the second story windows inside. Oftentimes when I'm window cleaning, that's how I prefer to do it anyways, from upstairs. So one of the first things you want to look at is for these tabs. Generally, these tabs mean in the opposite side, you're going to have a spring that you want to push. One of the most common things you don't want to do is you don't want to use this tab alone to pull it, because they may be old, sun damaged, and they might break off. So you're going to want to go to this other edge here, and you're going to want to push up, and you can see how already that releases it. So then you can use the tab to kind of straighten that out. And then I'm going to go to this other side here, and I'm going to push up at the top here, not use this. And then it's going to very easily come out. So then we will have the screen easily removable, and we can pull it inside and you can wash the screen or however you want to do it. Now to put it back, you just simply do the opposite. You put it in the hole. You're going to look for, there'll be a track under here. Now this is where I do use the tabs. I will grab a hold of this tab. I'll put this in the track. I will push up while again I'm pulling with that tab, and I'll do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna make sure it's in the track. Actually, it's not. So I'm gonna push this out again. Make sure that both are in the tracks. I'm gonna push that in, and then again I'm gonna push up while holding the tab, and then slide it in. Make sure it's pushed down so it's not elevated. And there you go. You've removed a screen from the inside of a second story building without having to use a ladder.